a lot of variability in our environment. I mean the customer demands, the component availability, and the workforce availability. So with the automation solutions, I mean the hardware and software solutions together, we have to find the best possible response to these challenges. And of course, the goal is still to be more productive and more efficient in the production. This machine can place and clinch THT components. Currently, we use operators to do this work, and with this machine, we can gain a lot of productivity, and also there's a kind of security check when we are placing components with polarity. Then the machine checks the right orientation of the components. I think big potential is still the speeding up of the changeovers, the intralogistics in the factories, the assembly processes, THT processes, and last but not least, the packing.